Hey there, it's Sydney with Tastefully Frugal, and today I want to talk to you about the Cricut Maker. More specifically, my favorite tools to use with the Cricut Maker. The Cricut Maker has been out for about 2 years now, and since then they have released a whole line of different tools and tips that go with the quick swap housing. I've had a chance to use all the different tools and make lots of different projects, and I do have my favorites. So today I'll be talking to you about 5 of the different blades or tools. We'll talk about the knife blade, we'll talk about the rotary wheel, the scoring wheels, the debossing tip, and the perforation blade. So let's go ahead and take a look at each blade, talk about what they do, and give you some project ideas.
The first tool we'll talk about is the rotary blade. Now the rotary blade comes with the Cricut Maker when you buy it, and it was the first maker tool that I had the chance to use. So you can see me cutting some cotton fabric with the rotary blade. There are 135 different types of fabric that you can cut with the Cricut Maker and the rotary blade. You want to make sure when you're cutting that you're using a pink fabric grip mat. When it comes to what you can cut, the design possibilities are endless. There are several different designs in Design Space, like this bike bag that I made, as well as different quilt patterns, so you can make full-size quilts as well as baby quilts. The next tool that we'll talk about is the Cricut knife blade. This tool was the second tool that came out for the Maker, and it has a lot of possibilities as well. You can cut up to 3/32 of an inch thick materials like chipboard, balsa wood, basswood, even leather. You want to use a strong grip mat with the knife blade, and because it does pass over the cut several times, make sure that you're using masking tape or painter's tape to really hold your materials down so that you can get precise cuts. You can use a knife blade to make things like wreath inserts, home decor pieces, or things for parties like chipboard, cupcake toppers, and cake toppers. Next, let's talk about the scoring wheel and the double scoring wheel. If you've used a Cricut before, I'm sure you've heard of the term scoring stylus. What this does is it allows indents to be made into your project so that it's easier to fold. The scoring wheels take it up a notch, and the indents are a little bit deeper, so it's a lot easier to fold to make things like cards, boxes, and things like that. I've used it on several different materials, and the mat that you'll use really just depends on the material that you're scoring. You can use it to make paper rosettes super easily, as well as gift boxes, gift bags, and cards. The scoring wheel is part of the quick swap housing or the adaptive tool system, where you really only need one housing, and you can swap out the tips, like the debossing tip right here. So the scoring wheel, the debossing tip, and up next I'll show you the perforation blade are all part of the quick swap housing. Here you can see the debossing tip working on poster board, foiled poster board. You'd use the debossing tip if you want to add an extra level of dimension to your designs. It is cutting out some clouds right here. I've used it also to make monograms for luggage tags, and then here we used it for our baby shower to make the signs for the different stations. Next, we'll talk about the perforation blade. The perforation blade is perfect to use for things where you want tear-away things. So if you're making like a countdown calendar, or maybe a gift card holder, or if you need to make a sign and have somebody tear off the number, the perforation blade is perfect for making that. I used it to make raffle tickets for my baby shower, and it was such a fun project.
So now that you've had a chance to see what each of these blades do and get a look at some of the projects that you can make with this, hop on over to my blog post. The link is in the description for this video to check out even more projects, and let me know in the comments what your favorite maker tool is, or if you have any questions about any of the tools that we talked about today. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more Cricut tips and tutorials. Have a great day.